Technology has brought about an increased interest in genealogy, but even if it's easier now to trace your family tree, maybe you need a little help getting started, and that's exactly what you can get this Saturday at the Hardesty Regional Library. We welcome Kathy Huber, manager of the Tulsa City County Library's Genealogy Center, with information about this great opportunity this weekend. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
So what is this all about? What's the topic of this?
Well, on Saturday we're going to be having a class to help people learn how to get started and starting their research on their family history.
So you can come in with no idea of where to go.
Correct. Yes, that's correct. And also, if you have started but you've got a lot of questions, or you kind of gotten stuck, then you can come in and attend the class and hopefully get some questions answered and or get a refresher, on the things that you may have forgotten.
And you guys are so good at helping people out. And some of the things you're going to talk about are a few books that are resources that you have. Tell us about these books that you're going to touch on in the workshop.
Well, we're going to talk about how to use these books as tools.
Okay.
And these are just some that we're going to talk about. There's going to be others, but these are just some that we have at the library that people can use and get a lot of information out of.
All right. So where do you start? If you want to know your genealogy, and you know your parents' names, what do you do after that?
Well, you're basically going to need to, genealogy is start with the information that you know.
Okay.
So you would be starting with, like your parents or your grandparents, that kind of thing. And then you take it back from there. And each generation has, things you can explore. For example, locating where people are buried, or locating where people were married, or where they were born, or that kind of thing. So that as you're focusing on one bit of information that you're looking for, then that's going to only lead to something else. So, for example, if you're trying to locate where somebody was born, then you're probably going to also not only find the answer to that, but you're going to probably find the answer to who their parents were, because that was part of it.
Oh, yeah.
So, anyway, we just kind of help you take it a step at a time. We're going to talk about the different types of records and resources that you can use to get started, where those are located, what we can do for you at the library, what services we have, that kind of thing.
With your job title, I would assume that you've figured out your family tree.
I've done a lot of it. Not all of it, but I've done a lot of it, yeah.
So you're able, from personal experience, to help people with some of those topics.
That is correct. And people have a lot of the same problems, and so just by helping others, then we can help people who are coming in asking the same kind of questions.
All right.
Sure.
And then the community of other people who are on the same search as you are, that's got to help as well.
We have a large genealogy community in Tulsa, and a lot of groups and people who are interested, and that they share information. And of course now with all the online databases and websites and Google and Twitter and Facebook and all those kind of things, then people are actually connecting with other genealogists and other researchers, and they're also locating people who are in their family.
Well, tell us, does it cost anything? Do you need to sign up ahead of time?
There's no cost to sign up. Just come to the Hardesty Library, and the class is from 9:30 to 1.
Okay.
And just bring something to take notes, and we'll get you going.
All right. Well, we got to tell everyone how they can show up. Thank you so much.
Okay.
We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Guys, it is this Saturday, beginning genealogy workshop, Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Hardesty Regional Library. They're at 8316 East 93rd Street, 918-549-7691 for more information. And you can look online there at their website as well.